It has production base of 66,000. The modern standard factory building covers an area of 40,000 square meters, and the intelligent office building covers an area of 6,000 square meters. Our laser currently has more than 1,000 outstanding employees, including more than 120 professional core R&D teams, including software engineers, mechanic engineers, electrical engineers, industrial designers, and other professional and technical personnel. The company relies on strict European standard quality system inspection procedures and professional equipment assembly technology advantages to make the equipment process products committed to providing comprehensive and professional laser product solutions to global users. In addition, ORI has a quick response service team of more than 200 people, which can provide 24-hour online and offline technical services in 12 languages and can solve your problems in time. The company has obtained international certifications such as ISO 9001, ROHS, CE, and FDA, and has more than 30 utility model patents and appearance design patents. The whole industry chain model improves the traceability of equipment by establishing a process control system from production, purchasing source to sales of important parts to improve the ability to control the source's quality and control the risk. Through the strict European standard quality control system, to ensure that the quality of the equipment processing end, assembly and quality and technical requirements. ORI's laser cutting machines have been exported to more than 150 countries and regions such as Russia, the United States, South Korea, India, Thailand, Poland, Vietnam, Malaysia, Egypt, the United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia.